Whis, please tell me the basic information about the patients scheduled for appointments today.
Dr. Wendy, can I help you?
How is Benny's type 2 diabetes progressing?
What about Benny's recent medication and complications of type 2 diabetes?
Benny recently switched from metformin to empagliflozin, and his blood sugar is well controlled with no complications.
Okay. Keep following.
Okay.
Whis, the Empagliflozin in Benny's home should be running out soon. Please send him some medicine.
Got it.
The Empagliflozin in Benny's home should be running out soon. Please send him some medicine.
Got it. Empagliflozin, 25 milligrams. Here we go. All set for Benny.
Pharmacy ready?
Package secured. Beginning delivery route. Liftoff successful. Heading for Clinic 5. Estimated arrival. 8 minutes.
Thank you. Former process.
A city accessibly via money. It is more convenient for us to see a doctor and buy medicine by using AI.